Subscribe.
Subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
There we go.
They were over here not too long. Yeah, it's
What's up?
Subscribe.
I put a qualified captain already, huh?
That was all you, buddy.
I came over here, there's no boat. Look at my boat floating over there. Well, at least we're going boating in a nice pack. We got the checkmate, my buddy Kevin, his brother Chris, and his brand new Yamaha. Brand new. Oh, shit, I haven't been on a ski in years, dog. I did that wrong. Thank God for you being here, bro. Wonder if that two-stroke still works on that boat that sunk right there. Yeah. What's up, guys? Hey, rain or shine, we're still going boating.
Always something anyway.
It's always something. Hey, did I clear up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm with my buddy Kevin on his 21 checkmate. It's the same exact hull as this boat, and we're with his brother Chris on his brand new Yamaha in the back, and we're gonna go for a little ride around Miami. I'm good. Alright. Gotta get gas and beer. Alright guys, those of you that don't know, this is Owls Marina, and this is where a good 80%, a good 70% of all the tourist boats come out of here. You have Mark the Shark, you have a bunch of sandbar tour guys here, jet ski tours, jet boat tours. Mostly all the tours are here other than Bayside and the river. And when it falls down, who you gonna call down? And when it all falls down, man, I promise, I'm so self-conscious. That's why you always see me with at least one of my watches. Without some ones that's clean and a shirt with a team. We live in the American dream. The people. Alright guys, we're here in Monument Island, and we're gonna go for a little walk around tour. Let's go. Obviously, you guys know my boat, 21 Checkmate. And this is my buddy's boat, same exact hull, 20-foot Checkmate. But this one is like mint condition. Mint condition compared to mine that's homemade. I don't have the back seat in right now, but whatever. Let's go for a little walk around. See some guys enjoying themselves. All these guys are in these little life vests are all charter boats. You go to that marina that I showed you earlier, and you can rent one of those boats and it'll bring you out to this island to hang out for the day. This is beautiful over here, guys. This is called Monument Island. What's going on? What do you think about this storm coming? I kind of feel it coming. You just checked? Alright, so we're good? Alright, cool. I'm vlogging for YouTube. You watch my videos? No?
I don't.
You know my YouTube channel's called? Boat Vibes. Boat Vibes. You gotta tell everybody to subscribe. Go. Tell everybody on camera to subscribe to my channel. No, you don't want people to subscribe?
Subscribe.
Say it again.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
There we go. Subscribe, guys.
Baby, get over here.
There ain't nobody else showing you this content. No one.
You can follow her for her content on OnlyFans.
What's your OnlyFans? What's your Instagram?
_ my name backwards, Natalia.
Natalia backwards. Alright guys, so you see here, that's the reason why this island is called Monument Island. In the middle, there's a big monument. Now we're all gonna take off and we're gonna go to Picnic Island, also known as La Islita, which is more next to Brickell, where the big buildings are. No, we're turning around.
Mi bolito mío, bueno, le ayudé a un amigo mío a comprarse el de 2015 porque estaba buscando este mismo. Este tiene el ride, tiene el braking y este viene para acá ahorita. Este viene para acá.
Ese hace 92 millas por hora.
Uy, es una cigarreta.
Ese hace 92.
Ese se llama talón.
Talón.
Tiene dos motores.
Ayer llegué a la marina, ¿tú sabes cómo? De 420.
Dile ese loco que me dé una vuelta para sentir si el corazón mío aguanta. Ahora le decimos.
Yo no sé.
Ese pana de nosotros. Ya,
It's our buddy Willie showing up. It looks good, bro.
Vibes.
What's going on?
Hey, like and subscribe. This guy's
Dile que mi hermano la vida es más sabor.
any creator out there.
Hey.
The kids love mobile.
You guys already know you gotta subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Ain't nobody else showing you this right here. He wants a ride. He wants a ride on the boat.